Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper. Zena the Glamper Camper is inside, and I just finished 50 laps back and forth in my pool. I did 25, like, face down, like my face was above the water, but 25, and then on my back 25. So, if you guys have been watching our videos for a while, you know that I love to eat, and we live in Surprise, Arizona. Well, it is freaking hot outside, and my belly has been getting a little bit bigger. So I just want to challenge myself. I don't really make a lot of exercise videos, but I want to challenge myself and see if I can lose weight in the pool, doing like exercise in the pool and swimming in the pool instead of dying when it's 100 degrees outside. So I guess I just wanted to bring you guys along. So if you want to see what happens next, you should keep watching. So right now I'm exactly 200 pounds. So that was pretty fun. I actually did less swimming today than I did yesterday. So I did 30 laps back and forth in total. I did 20 on my belly and I did 10 on my back. I wanted to do more on my back, but the sun is crazy bright today. It was right in my eyes. So far I got back in the pool today and I've been walking just circles around my pool for a little bit over an hour. I have been watching some YouTube videos on my laptop while walking, but yeah, I've literally just been walking in circles for a couple laps. I tried to do like some steps in here too. So I would step up on the bench and then step back off, and I would go up the stairs and come back down. That was not for me. So I did that for about 5 minutes. And I've also jogged a couple of laps, but other than that, I'm literally just walking around the pool. And yeah, tomorrow I have something kind of cool to try though. So we'll see you then. You guys, me and Zena, she's coming out her doggy door right now. Pretty excited. Right now, I'm literally just kind of stepping back and forth. Come here, Zena. Say hello. Right now, I'm literally just like stepping back and forth on the step. And then occasionally, I can go up on this step. And I can go down on this one. It's supposed to be like 100 today, I think. So I'm still getting my exercise while staying cool, and we're watching literally the best movie of all time, Spirited Away. It is my all-time favorite movie, and it's literally the best movie on this planet. So you need to watch it. But yeah, we're just gonna click play and keep walking around. Okay, if you've seen the movie, you know Chihiro just got dragged into Yubaba's office, and can you imagine the kind of rug burn that you would get from that? And I can imagine that may be slightly how my feet feel. So we have a PebbleTech pool. You definitely do not want to drag your feet on it. So you want to make sure that your feet get like totally lifted up. And then I have been doing stairs a little bit. But this action does kind of make your feet feel a little weird after a while. But it's still fun. It's not like they're like in pain. They're just getting a little bit roughed up by the PebbleTech. Okie dokie. It is a new day and I am back in the pool. And TBH, my stomach does not feel the best today. So I don't really actually want to do anything. So we are going to watch some YouTube and just kick my feet around like a child. Okay, 26 minutes and 50 seconds of just randomly flailing around my feet. Now, when you're doing stuff like this, having YouTube is really helpful. I just watched Laura from Garden Answer unbox some avocados, plant some avocados, make and can some marinara, feed her little koi fish. So it gives you like your brain other stuff to think about while you're doing stuff in the pool. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of like actual swimming now. Just did 5 back and forths across the pool on my belly, and then 5 back and forths across the pool on my back. 20 walking laps around the pool. 11 minutes of picking up via feet and toes what the pool vacuum could not get itself. And 40 minutes of flailing my legs around like an idiot. Well, it's a new day. And I did get a little bit of exercise today. This morning, I took Xena to a dog park, which is not like a typical thing that we do. But once we got home for the last about 25 minutes, I've just been, I don't know what you call this, bicycling inside of the water. And I'm just gonna keep doing it for 30 minutes, like not 30 more minutes, but until I hit 30 minutes. Okay, let's do a couple laps. Okie dokie. 10 back and forths on my belly. 5 back and forths on my back. And then 16 loops around the pool just walking, starting at this rock, going around town. Time for another day of some exercise in the pool. And I apologize in advance. I knew it was dark outside, but after filming and watching this time lapse, I now realize that you guys cannot see me at all. But for an hour and a half, I just moved around in the pool. I did some swimming on my back, on my belly, did some flailing of the legs like an idiot, did all sorts of walking, and just had kind of a fun time hanging out in the pool, doing a little late night swim. So now we're just going to go to sleep, wake up, and jump in the pool again. And the pool is turning green again. So this challenge did end a little bit differently than I had hoped. I did not swim yesterday because the pool was totally green, and I'm not swimming today because we've put some chemicals in there to kind of make it not green. But I just remembered we have this beautiful sign up here. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad. And it's Psalms 118:24. So I can't swim today, but I am still going to be happy today. So I am going to weigh myself like I'm actually going there right this second. But weighing, honestly, it's kind of not, for me, weighing myself is really, I don't really know how I feel about it. But throughout this week, I have, so it was supposed to be 8 days of swimming exercise, but it turned out to be 6 days since I couldn't swim yesterday or today. But I've been weighing myself sometimes multiple times a day, and honestly, it just kind of makes me feel weird. But your weight does fluctuate a lot throughout a day, and obviously it depends what clothes you're wearing. It depends on a whole bunch of stuff. So, it's dark. Right now, we are going to weigh. Now, before I walk on the scale, I did do some weighing literally 30 seconds ago, but I don't think it was working properly. But so before I jump onto this scale, I just want to remind you that the first time I weighed for this video, I had already exercised and eaten lunch. I can't remember which order they were in. But so today I have not eaten anything, but I'm just curious to see what I'm going to weigh. And I'm holding my phone, so my phone is going to add a little bit. But really, weight each day depends on a whole bunch of stuff. 193.8. Now, I'm just kind of curious. So right now it says 193.8. I am going to weigh myself a couple more times and take an average. 192.73 is what the average was after I weighed 10 times. Hey Google, what is 200 minus 192.73?
200 minus 192.73 is 7.27.
So I lost 7.27 pounds from 6 days of exercising in the pool. That's if you count this one. But like I said, I'm going to weigh myself 2 more times just to kind of show you guys how body weight fluctuates. Now, I mean, I had a pretty fun time. I think my philosophy is eat whatever the heck you want, whenever the heck you want, and be active enough that your body looks the way that you're happy with. So that's what I do. But I guess I will see you guys a little bit later after I've had a day of eating. So, I lost some weight. I feel good about it. I had fun. Try it if you want. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.